Do fibroids cause pain? This is something which is a very important question asked by many women who come with a scan report showing that there is a fibroid and they will be having vague symptoms of pain on and off. So, what are the situations in a case of fibroid uterus which can lead to pain? So when we talk about fibroids, I mean, this is one of the most common tumor which we can find in a woman's body. So out of 10 women, if we do scan, incidentally, there may be a fibroid which can be detected in at least like 5 to 6 of women. And 50% of the fibroids are asymptomatic. That means that they don't present with any symptoms. They are just detected by chance or incidentally when they go for some other complaint like vomiting, loose motions, or vague pain for in the upper abdomen or lower abdomen or urinary tract infection. So in such situations, the fibroids are diagnosed. When does a fibroid cause pain? So the commonest situations when the fibroid will cause pain is one, when the fibroid is inside the uterine cavity, that is, it is called a submucous fibroid or a fibroid polyp. So these are the fibroids like type 0, type 1, which is again coming out or protruding through the uterine cavity. So if this is the uterine cavity, if the fibroid is inside the cavity of the uterus, then the fibroids can cause pain. And this is because when the fibroids are there inside the cavity, like how a baby will be inside the cavity, the uterus will be contracting or causing contractions, and the fibroids will not come out of the uterus, but these contractions will keep happening, and this will cause spasmodic squeezing type of pain for the woman during her periods. So the other condition where the pain may be severe is when there is a fibroid which is on the top of the uterus, but there is a long stalk or a pedicle, what we call, and if it gets twisted, that can cause severe pain in the woman. And other factors are like when there is a degeneration inside the fibroid, so that can cause pain, or when there is bleeding inside the fibroid, that can cause pain. So when there are too many fibroids and if it is pressing on the urinary bladder, that can cause pain. There are situations again like in fibroids also which can cause pain, and the reason for the pain may be different. So sometimes there will be a huge fibroid which is pressing on the ureter, and it will be preventing the urine from coming out clearly from the kidney to the urinary bladder. So that time also, because of the pressure symptoms, this can lead to a urinary tract infection and can cause pain. So the other important reason when the fibroid causes pain is when there is red degeneration in the fibroid, which happens very commonly during pregnancy, and this causes a severe excruciating pain for the woman during pregnancy, and we mistake it for a pain of abortion, and sometimes we may have to do a ultrasound scan to check where the pain is and whether it is coinciding the area where the fibroid is located, and we may have to treat the woman for the pain. So having pain in fibroids may be there during the periods only, or it may happen even before the periods, or it may happen on and off whenever there is spotting or bleeding, especially in cases of submucous fibroids, as what we call it. So the pain can be managed by giving painkillers, either like oral tablets or by giving suppositories which can be inserted inside the rectum, or even the injectable painkillers also can be used to manage the pain. The pain relief patches also can give a good pain relief for these patients, and keeping the woman pain free is extremely important to give her a good quality of life. And if the pain becomes very severe, very intense, then we may have to consider removing the fibroid for that woman, or sometimes even removing the uterus also, in case if removal of the fibroid is not possible, or if the woman has multiple fibroids which cannot be removed separately, then we may have to consider removing the uterus if she has completed her family, if she is not desiring for a pregnancy. So this is about pain which can be caused by fibroids. If you have any more questions, please comment in the comment box, and I will try to answer my best. Thank you.